Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our automotive adventure. Today, we're delving into the realm of opulence and power with the BMW M760e xDrive. This flagship sedan isn't just about luxury, it's about pushing the boundaries of performance. Get ready to be dazzled as we explore the exquisite details of the BMW M760e xDrive. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thrilling content. And if you have any good suggestions, let us know in the comments. Let's kick things off with a bang. Underneath the hood of the BMW M760e xDrive lies a beast waiting to be unleashed. With a jaw-dropping 571 horsepower and an astonishing 800 Newton-meters of torque, this sedan redefines the meaning of power and performance. Get ready to experience the thrill of the open road like never before. Hold on to your seats, because the BMW M760e xDrive doesn't just move, it launches. Going from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.3 seconds. This sedan combines brute force with precision engineering, delivering an exhilarating acceleration that will leave you breathless. While speed is thrilling, the BMW M760e xDrive offers more than just raw power. With a top speed of 155 miles per hour, this sedan effortlessly combines speed with stability, making every journey a luxurious and comfortable experience. Feast your eyes on the exterior of the BMW M760e xDrive. From its sleek lines to its bold presence, the sedan exudes sophistication and style. The iconic kidney grille, muscular stance, and aerodynamic design make a powerful statement on the road, commanding attention wherever it goes. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by a world of luxury and refinement. The interior of the BMW M760e xDrive is a masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, with premium materials and cutting-edge technology that elevate the driving experience to new heights. From the sumptuous leather seats to the state-of-the-art infotainment system, every detail is meticulously crafted to indulge your senses. And there you have it, the BMW M760e xDrive. A symphony of performance and elegance. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, stay tuned and stay driven.